Rydyn, we are here. Fire and waves and football forged this mountain peak. A dive did not begin with 4 Cymru goals. It began when these menywod hynod were girls in baggy kits who dared kick a ball for the first time. And it began with our first steps of 1973, and it began with the rebel girls of PE. To the child she was, Rhiannon says, believe. We have scaled these ancient rocks, this untread path, wrote our own map, the wind will carry through generations. Each goal a summit step, gave our bodies for the apex, hearts pounding under red shirts, finding infinity in the embers of 90 minutes, to be the first to stand on mountaintop. Do not measure us in anything, but each step we have taken in studded boots and bucket hats. Rydyn says something is impossible till it isn't. Trailblazing in ash, her footprints we followed on a weather rock. Liv says, up here it feels like a movie. Wonders when it will feel real. Folk heroes with ponytails and Cymru written across hearts have climbed to be at one with the sky and the stars. Gethin says he heard for some the top of a mountain is a place of worship. We found Nevoid through Paldroid. We are on top of Wales, which is to say, the world. Rydyn, we are here, at last.